In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com to organize your projects, manage tasks, and collaborate with your team more effectively. Whether you're working solo or with a team, this tool can simplify your entire workflow. Let's get started. First, go to Monday.com and sign in or create a free account. Once you log in, you'll land on the home screen, where you can see your workspaces, notifications, and any boards you've already created. Next, explore your workspaces on the left sidebar. These are like folders that help keep related boards and projects grouped together, great for separating personal projects from client work or team departments. Then, click Add Board to start organizing your tasks. You can choose from a blank board or use one of their many templates like project trackers, content calendars, or sales pipelines. After that, organize your board using groups. These are horizontal sections like To Do, In Progress, or Completed that help break down your work stages. Now add items under each group. These are individual tasks or projects you want to track. You can click into an item to add details, updates, due dates, and more. And if a task has multiple parts, use sub-items. They let you break a larger task into smaller steps, ideal for tracking progress or assigning mini tasks to different team members. Then customize your board by adding columns to track extra data like due dates, assignees, status, priority, numbers, tags, and more. This makes it super flexible to match your workflow. You can also collaborate with others by assigning tasks, leaving comments, tagging teammates, and uploading files directly inside each item. It keeps communication in one place. After that, use the search, filter, and sort features at the top of the board to quickly find what you need, perfect for teams handling lots of tasks across multiple projects. Finally, go to the Automation tab to set up rules like when status changes to done, notify team member, or create a recurring task every Monday. This saves time and makes sure nothing slips through the cracks. Explore Monday's mobile app to manage your boards on the go. It syncs with your desktop version so you can update tasks, respond to teammates, or check deadlines wherever you are. Take advantage of Monday's dashboard widgets to visualize your workload, team progress, or deadlines using charts, calendars, and timelines. It helps you stay focused on what matters most at a glance. And that's how to use Monday.com like a pro, even if you're just starting out. It's a flexible tool that grows with your projects and your team. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple guides like this. See you next time!